What's up? Another story update. So some people, they catch the video like as I'm gonna be putting this out, you're just gonna catch this video, and they're new people. So we're just gonna recap. I was just chilling, and then this idea just, came to me, and it's a story that I wanna flesh out, make, animate, and it's about a man who lives alone, single, but he has these children come, to stay with him on the weekends. Like a single dad, or a co-parent or whatever. And then so don't get triggered if I'm not using the right terminology, but you get my gist. That's what I said, like a co-parent, like somebody who's not with the mother of their kids. And what happens is the kids are annoyed that they have to stay with the father, because they're like, oh, flipping heck, like it's boring, it's not fun, whatever, because you know how dads are, it's like stern and all that. But his personality is a bit silly, but he's and then what their kids don't realize is their father is a vigilante, and the area that the father lives in is not a pretty area. It's a bit of a dangerous area. So you have all types of activities and all types of funny people around. So what I've done is I've made I'm gonna flip the screen. There we go. Let me try to find it. Wait, where is it? So these are all these are the characters, but let me show you. Okay, so this is the hierarchy of like activities of individuals. So you have the thieves, the drug addicts, bullies, delinquents, slaughterers. Then you have the gangsters, kidnappers, groomers, drug dealers. Then you have the gang leaders, mob bosses, crime bosses, and then you have magicians, monsters, and then you have the devil. And the devil's the ultimate evil, and everything trickles down, like everything else. So that's why a lot of these stuff is like, not good activities going on. So this is the cast, if you want to call it. I don't have names for them, so I'm not writing as much. I'm more of just drawing and like drawing out the scenes, drawing out like scenarios, drawing out like some storytelling shots, and just feeling out the story more in a visual way. I don't know why, I work better like that. So again, this is unorthodox, so I'm not saying to everybody this is the right way to do it, follow me and do exactly what I'm doing. Nah, I'm not working for no studio. I'm not on nobody's time, it's my own project. So you have here, this is the father, and that's the eldest daughter, and that's her younger sister and the younger brother. And then this is them in their hero / vigilante costumes. So eventually the children end up doing the same thing as the dad, so then it doesn't become as boring. Spoiler alert. But it's not a spoiler alert because like you don't know what's going on. Like I ain't really started writing yet, so I'm just giving you the the outlook, the blueprint, whatever, Okay. And then I did this shot. It's like an animated shot of the son training with the father. But this was just like for banter. I just wanted to get a feel to see like, oh, okay, can I animate these characters? And this is before I did the character expression sheet. And these are, like I said, like I'm not writing. I'm just drawing to feel out the story. So this is the father, in his hero element or whatever, where he's fighting and these don't come on till later in the episode because these are higher up in the hierarchy. So is with the delinquents that they need to fight, like the side, on my side, like I got like these gangsters, so they'll be dealing with them first. So this is the character sheet that I've done for the son. As you can see, he's very activated. So let's go. So he's very activated. We can have a look. So that's the sunlight. It's like boom, boom. And then these are the higher demons and monsters. This is when it gets a bit intense. And as you can see, like the dad's a bit goofy. He's like, "Oh, has my belly gone bigger?" And the kid's just laughing. So these are what I was talking about, like when I was saying like I'm just drawing to feel it out. So stuff like that. And then for my last video, if you go back to watch it, so if you haven't watched my previous videos, do watch it. I was doing a rough drawing of this, and now it's finished. It's like no devices, but the kids are like, "But you're on your device," and and then here I'm trying to get the acting and the expressions. They're like, they're vexed. They're like, "Nah," and it's just like, "No, you're not doing it." And then this is a character sheet for the father. I still need to do one for the two daughters, which I'm gonna get to. And this is just to show his personality more. And he's just like a cool dude. Sometimes it's silly and stressed at that. So, and then this is a shot I have like where he's fighting like a villain monster again. So this is like later on in the episode. I don't even know if I'm gonna make this a character, but it's just like I said, it's just a feel out to get what's going on. And then you have this, and it's just like what else. And everyone's on their devices and playing with their toys. And then yeah, okay, so this is what I've got so far. So this is a animation. So if you have a look, bam, bam, is him fighting a monster. Let me zoom in a bit in. So this is a cool thing. So right now I'm just coloring this in, and this is a cool shot. Back, back. This is that bam. It's a nice little cool shot. And I'm doing this just to familiarize myself. Sorry about that. with the character, their movement, and the story. So watch out for this. That's gonna get posted as well once it's done. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the thing, show love to your boy, and all that good stuff. If you have artwork as well, share it with me. I want to see, connect with me, and good luck to your projects. And don't stress too much. It's just lines. We're just doing lines, you get me? We're not doing that type of lines. We're doing healthy lines. And it's all about mileage. It's about mileage. I'm not where I want to be myself, so a lot of people can critique my stuff and be like, nah, blah 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 blah. I get it. Thank you. I'm gonna work harder. I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna keep pushing, and you keep pushing. Yo, I'm out. The videos are gonna be there.